Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out the Give Them Lala Beauty Do You Boo setting spray. So this setting spray retails for $30, which I think is pretty pricey off the bat, but it is infused with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and coconut water, which sounds really nice, and it's supposed to give the skin that dewy glow. And my skin and makeup right now is in the perfect state to try out a setting spray because my face is looking matte. I've got some dry patches like on my forehead here. My chin is a bit dry, and then it's also like my makeup is just kind of like sitting on top of my skin, like sitting on top of the pores, and it definitely needs to be hydrated. And that's what I like to use a setting spray for, to give my makeup and skin that hydration, to help the makeup melt and sink into the skin and get rid of that kind of like powdery layer is how I would describe it. This is also cruelty free. Okay, let's see what the packaging looks like. Simple. I mean, it doesn't have anything like that catches my eye that I'm like, ooh, pretty nice packaging, but I mean, it seems fine. Let's check out what the sprayer is like. That can make a big difference in how a setting spray really is. So let's see how this is. Ooh. Okay, that actually seems awesome. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it definitely smells like coconut. It actually smells a lot like sunscreen, which I don't really mind, but I feel like this scent could be off-putting to people. But I really like the mister on this. Like, my hand is already pretty dried, and it does look like it's got some dewiness, glow to it. But I like a setting spray, sprayer, mister thing that actually will soak my face, but not like spit at it and create the little droplets. So this actually seems perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna jump right in and start spraying my face. Okay, wow, yeah, I love this spray bottle. It really did just evenly coat my face and was super gentle. Like, that is probably one of my favorite spray bottles I have ever used. Just the perfect amount of spray, the perfect amount of gentle, because sometimes when it's such a light fine mist, you can't even feel it on the skin. It doesn't even seem like it leaves behind product, but this one I like. And yeah, that coconut smell, it's kind of lingering, it's kind of potent. If that's something that bothers you, you might hate that about this. But, ooh, I'm liking it. And then I use a setting spray every day, whether I'm wearing a lot of makeup or a little bit of makeup. And then the next step in my routine after using the setting spray is to fan it. And I mean, just take my hand, take a piece of paper, and I just fan it for a few seconds to help it dry down. And wow. Okay, this looks so good. Look at the shine and the dewiness to my skin. But also, I know you can't really tell this on camera and I'm looking up close in the mirror to see it, but where I was saying that my makeup was kind of sitting on top of the skin, sitting on top of the pores, it has completely melted down and completely smoothed out into the skin. I don't have that powdery layer at all anymore. Where my skin was dry, it's looking more hydrated. My chin as well. So I love this. I feel like a setting spray can be a little hard to test from a first impression, but I've tried out so many that I know what I'm looking for. But this really did just blow me away so quickly. I love it. I love how my skin is looking. I love how my skin is feeling. Just the perfect amount of radiance. Everything about this, I feel like I keep saying, is perfect. The sprayer on it, the amount of glow to the skin. So, like I started off the video saying, this is $30. That's pricey, but at least it is awesome, and I feel like it warrants that price point. This is one that I'm definitely going to continue using. So if you've tried out the Give Them Lala Beauty Do You Boo Setting Spray, definitely let me know in the comments down below how it works for you and your skin and your makeup, because everyone's different. But I am so happy with this. And I have gotten some other products from Give Them Lala Beauty in Ipsy, so this makes me excited to try out more from this brand. So if you have any other products that you would recommend, I would also love to hear about those in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.